Welcome to ITAD Talks with BitRaser.
Hey, thanks.
Could you please briefly introduce yourself and the company that you work with?
Sure. My name is Boris Pisarevskiy. I'm a director of ITAD, working for Full Circle Electronics US, and this is our main processing facility. We have multiple in US, we have Latin America, but this is our headquarters.
Awesome. And what kind of devices do you process here at this facility?
We process everything ITAD relay. So it can be LCD monitors, laptops, servers, phones, phone equipment, networking, some data center equipment, and you name it.
Awesome. And how important is data security in the entire gamut of operations that you run here?
Oh, this is the core of our business. This is what we are doing on the market. We're making sure that our customers are comfortable with the service we provide, and we erase all data-related settings as well as the wiping hard drives and erasing all data.
Sure. Considering that you have such a big facility here in the other parts of America, what are top considerations for you when you chose a data erasure software to run the operations?
I would say last 5-6 years, when the hard drives increased the speed times, as of right now, the main point is not the speed of the actual algorithm, but the technician's touch time. This is what we're looking at right now.
Right.
And trying different softwares, we're making sure that we're going to be able to use the labor wisely. The technician going to be spending less time to fire up the wiping process. This is where efficiency is coming from.
Finally, a very important question, customers are very sensitive about the data that's stored in the devices that they're retiring. And they're always anxious about how soon they can know about whether the device was securely erased and that they're certain that they are not at risk. How does Full Circle Electronics communicate this to the end customers when the devices come to you for processing?
We created a standalone portal for our customers that they have access to. So BitRaser communicates to our ERP system, and then we push some data to the portal that customers can check each and every step of the processes of where their equipment is. So starting with receiving even before the BitRaser. They already know when we receive the asset. We already know when we scan the serial number. They know the time and date when we start the wipe, and they know the final result. They have 24/7 access to the customer-related, customer-facing portal.
Awesome. So what it means is the moment a device is processed, like the one running next to you, the moment the erasure is completed, the erasure information is pushed into the ERP, and the customer can get to know that the device is wiped?
It pushed to ERP the same second.
Awesome. So it's like real-time reporting then.
It's real-time reporting when it goes to ERP, yes.
Thank you very much for talking to ITAD Talks with BitRaser. It was a pleasure.